Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. More phone calls are made on Mother's Day than any other of the day of the year. Japan is so efficient that they fixed this massive sinkhole in under a week. Buttermilk is a good source of calcium, providing about 28% of recommended daily intake. Australian farmer Ben Jackson could not attend his aunt's funeral, so instead he laid out grain for a sheep in the shape of a heart so she could see it through the clouds. Out of all languages, only Sanskrit has the power to say something using the minimum amount of words. US dog Abigail surfed 107.2 meters at Ocean Beach Dog Beach in San Diego and set world record for longest wave surfed by a dog. Mahatma Gandhi was a great writer and his collected works have 50,000 pages. In 1930, he was the Time Magazine Man of the Year. The first truly successful set of Your Phone was developed in 1910 by Nathaniel Baldwin, who made them by hand in his kitchen and sold them to the United States Navy. The global average wind speed has been slowing down since 1960, and we are still not quite sure why. The most likely culprit is climate change. 1 in 20 million people has progeria, a disease that causes people to grow 7 times faster than they age. The Burj Khalifa is not just the world's tallest building, it also has the most windows in the world with an impressive 24,000 of them. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is the first unmarried president and scientist in India. He is also among only 3 presidents of India who were conferred the Bharat Ratna before they were elected president. In many Asian nations, especially Japan, it is common to wear a face mask during flu season to show consideration and social responsibility to others. Black pepper is the world's most traded spice. Humans are not the only animals to make drum beats. Macaque monkeys, even some rodents, have been observed drumming beats with their paws. When Instagram introduced videos, 5 million videos were uploaded in the first 24 hours. For 10 years, a Florida man tricked locals into thinking a 15-foot tall penguin frequented their local beach by wearing giant cast iron shoes in the shape of penguin feet. When bored, 85% of the people tend to make weird, unnecessary sounds. KFC's founder Sanders went to KFC franchises to inspect them and would get genuinely upset if their gravy was not good enough. Italian food is one of the most popular restaurants for a first date. Edges of moving escalators are the most accident-prone areas where people may get their shoelaces or clothing stuck. Brushes make commuters aware that they are too close to the edges and trigger a reflex to move away from it. Rolls-Royce Phantom promises to be the world's most silent car. Flu makes you tired because your immune system deploys its energy in fighting against the flu virus. White blood cells are diverted from their usual job of keeping your muscle fibers and joints repaired and healthy to fighting off the virus. Your long calls get dropped by your network operators to minimize possible fraud calls or calls that might be continued too long by mistake. Is a 250-kilometer ice formation that, despite the global warming, continues to get larger. Majority of other glaciers are shrinking. Algebra is the translation of Arabic text al-jabr, which means balancing of broken paths, Shayun in the Arabic word for unknown. When Arabic texts were translated in Europe, there were problems as some sounds in Arabic could not be pronounced in Spanish. Were believed to be man-made. However, these formations were created by volcanic activity over 760,000 years ago. Ancient Greeks held spring festivals to honor mothers, although it was not like the Mother's Day celebrations we have today. The ancient Greeks used to hold spring festivals to honor the maternal goddess Rhea. She was believed to be the mother of many deities. Is a place on earth where every visitor is greeted with millions of glowworms, creating the unforgettable view. The first recognizable social media site is 6 Degrees. It was created in 1997. It enabled users to upload a profile and make friends with other users. In 1999, the first blogging sites became popular, creating a social media sensation that's still popular today. Woodrow Wilson officially created Mother's Day in 1914 after much persuasion from an activist named Anna. Woodrow Wilson officially declared that the second Sunday of every May would be Mother's Day. One of the earliest systems of writing invented by Sumerians in ancient Mesopotamia, most of these writings were on clay tablets. Your skin has oily and watery layers, which makes it good at protecting you from outside molecules. However, garlic contains a molecule called allicin, which has properties of both water and oil. Because of this, it can permeate the skin in your feet and travel through your blood all the way to your mouth and nose. Founded in 1088 by an organized guild of students, is the oldest university in the world. Let's explore some unknown facts about Woodland shoe brand. Woodland was a brand born in India in 1992. Every Woodland shoe manufactured is almost 100% eco-friendly. Woodland was launched in 3 small shops in New Delhi. Thanks for watching.